Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify utility demand response compatibility with Sense and EV, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have the latest version of the Sense app installed on your smartphone. Open the Sense app and log into your account. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Look for the section labeled Demand Response Compatibility. Here, you will find options related to utility programs and demand response. Check if your utility provider is listed among the available partners. If your utility provider is not listed, contact their customer service to inquire about compatibility. Next, gather information about your electric vehicle, EV. Identify whether your EV is capable of demand response features. Consult your EV's user manual or manufacturer's website for this information. Once confirmed, return to the Sense app. Select the option to connect your EV to the Sense system. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your EV with your Sense device. You may need to enter your EV's details, such as model and service type. Confirm that all settings are correct before proceeding. If prompted, grant the necessary permissions to allow data sharing between your EV and the Sense app. After the connection is established, navigate back to the demand response section in the app. Review all options related to demand response activities. Opt in to any programs offered by your utility that suit your preferences. Ensure all settings are saved before exiting the app. Monitor the performance and notifications through the Sense app regularly. Make any adjustments as needed based on your usage patterns and utility notifications. Stay informed about updates from your utility provider regarding demand response events. This will help optimize your energy consumption and maximize potential savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.